Are you looking for a staycation in Tagaytay, near in Restos, Taal View, and cozy vacation home with breathtaking views? For our special occasion, we celebrated in Casanova Staycation located in SMDC Tower 5 at 19th floor. Take note, this is not sponsored since nagustuhan namin ang accommodation, kaya we highly recommended ang Casanova for your soon vacation in Tagaytay. We book weekend Saturday 2 p.m. check-in and 12 noon ang check-out. When we go in, mapapansin mo na maaliwalas, malinis, at maganda ang interior design ng Casanova. Sa sala pa lang nila ay kumpleto na. Meron ding mini dining area sa side with Taal View and so comfortable bed na napakalambot. They also have clean towel, kaya hindi mo na kailangan magdala. Let's visit naman sa kanilang bathroom with hot and cold water. They have free shampoo and bath soap. Casanova can accommodate until 4 guests, but they also have another unit. Visit their Airbnb page. I will post the link on description and comment section below. Since we are located at the 19th floor corner spot, napakaganda ng scenery. So relaxing, lahat ng binayad mo worth it. Hindi sa pag-OA, pero maganda naman talaga. Buti na lang at this time, hindi pa umuulan, kaya na-enjoy namin ang terrace. Tour ko naman kayo sa kanilang mini kitchen area. They have mini ref na may honesty store, may free basic condiments like asin, paminta, suka, toyo, at asukal. Free use of rice cooker, kitchenwares, and take note, clean as you go. During our stay, sinulit namin ng Netflix, pero maaga ako nakatulog at ginising na lang ako para makita ko daw ang kapal ng fog. That's 1 a.m. na madaling araw at parang may ulap sa terrace namin. In SMDC, meron din silang swimming pool pero may bayad per head. Kindly inform your host before going to swimming pool area. They have waiting lounge, gaming area, kung gusto ninyo may pagkaabalahan. So, if you're looking for staycation, try mo na dito sa Casanova SMDC Tagaytay. Comment down below if you have any recommended vacation spot. Yun lang. Bye!